Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am going to share with you a Scrapdiva Designs design team project. And I'm using the door mini album that you see here. So let me go ahead and show you this die because you get lots of pieces to create and embellish your die. So we're going to start with the words. So you get the word believe and you get the word explore. And each of these words has a shadow die cut in the back, which helps to make your words stand out in your projects. Then you get 6 leaves, and they are actually 3 sets. And what I mean by 3 sets is that you get a left and a right of each design. So there's 3 sets of left and right leaves. Then, of course, this is the door mini album, so you're going to get the door. And this does cut 2 pieces. And then you get the accent piece for each of the windows. There are 6, and when I flip it over, you'll see the other 5. And as you can see in my project, I did accent my windows in gold. Then you get the basic piece to cut the pages in your mini album, and you use that to cut out your basic cardstock in like white, black, pink, whatever base color you're using. And then you get the stitched piece to cut on designer paper that you use to decorate your pages. You also get a spine piece right here, and you also get a stitched piece to cut out on decorative paper and attach to the spine to decorate it. So I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description box below so that you can go and look at this die. And if you make a purchase, don't forget to use Carol10 at checkout to get 10% off your order. And if you have been using my affiliate links, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel. So before we get into my project, I just wanted to say if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting and tutorials. If this is something you're interested in, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you come back and join us. And also, I did want to say for all of my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let's go ahead and look at the project. I am going to tell you that I did use a junk journal kit. This is the first page of my junk journal kit. Now, I wanted to make a pink junk journal for myself, and the reason I want this is so that I don't forget what I purchased in pink this year. Because you don't want to double buy, and I also want to keep like a list of the things that I would like to have for next year that I couldn't find this year, if that makes sense. I like to put in here what I bought my granddaughters for Christmas and what I bought my family for Christmas, what we had, what cookie recipes we tried that were great, some that we don't want to make again, all different kinds of things like that. So I purchased this junk journal kit to do that. But when I was looking at all the beautiful images, I thought, okay, I want to put this in this mini album as well. So the junk journal came with a JPEG file and a Adobe, PDF, a PDF file as well. So with the JPEG, I was able to play around with it and make it work for this mini album. So this mini album is 6 1/4 inches tall. It's 4 1/2 inches wide. And then I have a spine that is 2 3/4. My spine is a little bit bigger than the die that comes with the set. And that is because I wanted to make sure all my pages fit into this mini album that I had printed out. So it's 4 1/2 by 2 3/4. And then I just have a plain backing on here. And as you can see on the front, I use the leaves from the die set to accent my pink poinsettia. I do have a tutorial for these in my videos if you care to look at that, if you want to make some. So this little nutcracker was an image in the junk journal set, and all the images that you see in here come from there, and all the little sentiments as well as that bow. Now we're looking at the door, and you can see I did create a shaker, and each of the windows has pretty pink snowflakes, iridescent snowflakes and beads, and it just jingles and rattles perfectly like Christmas items should. And I love this little door. So I did make a tie for my album because it's so big. And we just open the door like this. And inside you can see there is the Santa from this page right here. And of course he's a little bit bigger because I worked, like I said, with the JPEG file. And then I just cut some of the room images to put on either side of him. So it's like you're opening the door and there's Santa inside the door. And there is even a window back there. So this just closes like that. It stays closed. It's nice. I love this, the concept of this little door on the front of the mini album. So here's the first page. We have a sentiment that says Christmas time with a beautiful deer with some Christmas roses. And I did accent all the little flowers with some stickles. This little pocket comes with the junk journal kit. I do have a leaf here from the door mini album, and I did put some little gems on here to make it look like a berry leaf. And then inside this pocket, I have two little booklets for journaling or pictures. As you can see here, and they just tuck inside. And this is also an image from the junk journal. Even the pages, the papers are from the junk journal kit. On this side, we have an image with a Christmas bell with Christmas roses and a pot of poinsettia. There's some little pine cones here. And then on this side, we have a pocket. And inside the pocket, I have some tags. I had this little girl nutcracker image left over, so I put her peeking out of the pocket. And then we have all these tags that come in the kit. And then I'm just going to put them right back in with the little girl in the front peeking out. I love her. I think she's so cute. On this side, we have Happy Holidays with a lantern with a candle in it and some Christmas flowers, and there's a little bit of a fireplace on this image. And here we have a pocket that has a couple tags, and then I have an envelope that opens up and it has tags in it. Like I said, this is all from the junk journal kit that I used to decorate this mini album. As you can see here, on either side of the bow, I put the leaves. So I have the leaves throughout this mini album like I do here to accent the poinsettia. I have the little nutcracker here image. This says Drummer Boy. It's a Christmas tree with Christmas flowers all throughout. And I have some more tags here. We have the little gnome and the little deer, and then I have another little nutcracker boy. So we'll just place that right back in this little pocket. On this side, we have a chair with a candle and a fireplace. On this side, we have another pocket, and here again are the leaves from the Door Mini album set. And I have more tags, and then I have this little gift card envelope. I did put a tag in it, but if you're going to give this to someone, you can always put a little gift card to Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks in there. On this page, whoops, skipped a page here. On this page, we have Happy Holidays. It's got a Christmas tree with presents, a little coffee sitting on top of the presents, and some boots with poinsettia in it. And then I have this little pocket that has more tags and another gift envelope. So you could put Dunkin' Donuts in one envelope and Starbucks in the other. On this one, we have, it says Little Drummer Boy. I have a nutcracker. That was one of the images in the set that I had extra. So I put them near the fireplace. And we have all the little flowers that are all glittery and the tops of the stockings as well. In this pocket, we have more tags. We have the little deer, this little snowman, and then the little nutcracker. And it says Christmas time on that tag. And I put gold little ribbon on top of all the tags to accent the gold that is in the little embellishments. And here again, I use the leaves from the Door mini album set. This says Noel, Noel. It's a chair with a teddy bear and presents. On this side, we have another pocket. And we have more tags. And I did have an image of the nutcrackers, so I put them on the plain tag. This looks really cute. On this side, we have Let It Snow with a beautiful deer again. And then in this pocket, we have another little envelope, and I did put some tags in there. And I have also these tags that I created. This is an image from the junk journal kit. And this is the last page. This is to put a picture. It says Christmas wishes. And then in this pocket, I have another tag with the little girl. I had extra, so I embellished this tag with her because I think she's so cute. And then I have this little pocket in which I put some more tags that I embellished with images from the junk journal kit. And that's it. The end of my project. I think there's 9 pages in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages. And I have a back and the door front. So there's 11 pages in this mini album. So it's pretty big. So thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this project. Again, I will leave the affiliate link to this mini album in the description box below. Remember to spread kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting, everybody. Bye-bye.